Hey. I remember you refused to kiss me, and now you're using my toothbrush. Daddy is a picture. Now you're wearing my t-shirt, and the ring was right to end before you know what's inside. Before you know the message. Namudo sini ishi anyone behave about this. I'ma keep it short and sweet. Did you tell the song on the beat? Or the only dance to the beat? I call you Coca Matana Fields. I call you Coca Matana Fields. Yay! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the part 2 of the unboxing video. Yes! Yes, part 2 of the unboxing video, and I'm super excited, you guys. Like, I really want to get rid of these boxes. It's high time. It's high time that you get rid of these boxes. So now, I am going to do this unboxing, and I'm going to go straight to the point so that I don't have so much footage that I end up losing. Yeah, so let me not jinx this one, and let's get into the video. Yeah! Yes, so from the previous video, I talked so much about Kentex Cargo, and some of you guys were asking me if that video was sponsored. my town, hey! And most of you guys went on asking me if the video is sponsored. I know some of you didn't even leave the comments, you just came to me personally, and I'm here to answer that question. No, the video wasn't sponsored by Kentex Cargo. I really wished it was, but it wasn't. Yeah, it was just giving my own experience, my own personal experience after shipping with them. And yes, so again, let's get into it. So the first, I bought a total of 7 products from Amazon. Then I got them shipped into Kenya via Kentex Cargo, as I talked about in the previous video. If you haven't watched it, the link will be right here somewhere. Yes, so I'm going to start with the lesser products, the small products. As I progress to the larger products, which are more bulky and which are filling this box. So the first product we have is, I can't even pick the one that I want. So the first product we have is this Lux makeup brush cleaner. Yes, and I already opened it and I've already used it, so I can say so much about it. So I'm just going to show you the content of the box. So it came to this. This is the glass that you use to put the liquid solution. It also came with a cleaning solution. You can see it's already opened and used. Yes, a cleaning solution from Lux. I don't know if you can see that. Yes. It also came with a chargeable thing. Yeah, chargeable rotator. Motor. No, I don't know what to call this. That you can just press there and it starts rotating. This is where now you place your brushes. Let me just hold on. And it's also chargeable because it has a USB cable. It's still from Lux. And yes, and these 2 stuff that are the brush spinners. Yes, the brush spinner. Okay, so basically what you do, I'm just going to do a quick demo. Basically, you just put, depending on the size of your brush, you just put this thing here on the motor. Then let me just have a brush. Wait a minute. Let me get a brush, a dirty one. So this is the brush that I have. As you can see, it's dirty. I'm just demonstrating on how this thing works. Basically, this is how it works. So you put your solution in here, then this is the brush. Then when you press here, this is the first stage. You can see the brush rotating. Then that's the second stage and the second speed. And that's the third speed. Yeah, that's the third speed. So this is the speed that you use to dry. It has already worked red right there. So when it's inside the water, you put it there, it rotates, then you lift it up and it dries the product. I'm actually going to do a separate video on that, guys, so don't worry. Apart from that, the brush cleaner also came with a USB cable whereby you can recharge this motor. Yeah, you can recharge it. Yes, What else? And basically the brush cleaner is supposed to look something like this. Yeah. And it also had an Amazon $500 gift card that I'm supposed to enter into. It's not like they've given me, they're telling me to enter into a competition. The next product we have is this from O X O. I don't know how to pronounce that. I think it's just a Chinese name. Yes, and it's this tripod. Yes, guys, this is a tripod, and I'm actually using the head that I've already mounted you on a different tripod. I used to use this selfie stick when I was filming all my videos, and it was hectic because it doesn't have a base actually, so it was really hectic for me to set it up. But if you don't have this one, I bet you guys you can still use this. So now I got this. This is actually my favorite part of the whole haul from Amazon. Like, I really love this thing. It has saved me a big deal when it comes to setting up. I have a separate clip where I'm going to show you how I normally set it up on whatever I am using to film right now, and how I set it up on my phone. Yes, so I just use that. Bang! I screw it on the tripod. Yes, as you can see, I screw it on the tripod. After I'm done screwing it to the tripod, that is where my phone is going to sit on. And yes, that has made it easy for me. Yes, so I really love that about this tripod. And it also came with a remote, guys, and I don't know where I placed it, already misplacing things. Yes. Then the next product that I got was this. Yes! I also got a package from Beauty Glazed, and I am super excited. I actually had a YouTuber, yes, I had her talking about Beauty Glazed, and that's where I knew about this, where they have replicas of different products. They replicate high-end products and then sell them for good prices that a normal human being like me can afford. So this package, I loved something about it. First of all, the price was good. Then apart from that, I have a variety of products that come with it. Like, you get a variety of products. There's an illuminator, there's a lip pencil, matte liquid lipstick. Actually, you can see, if you guys can notice something already, it's kind of replica of Kylie, as I noticed from the design and everything. And it actually smells good. Then they also have this lip pencil. It's actually a replica of the chapsticks. Yes, and I really love the design actually. I really loved it so much. This is how it looks. Yes. Then a highlighter palette. I really love the packaging. Yeah. Then it has 3 highlighters right there. Oh, a palette. You guys, I'm so in love with palettes. It has also a palette that comes with it. I've actually not opened it. I wanted it to be a surprise. Thanks God I didn't open it. I already saw from the package they have. This is the rose gold edition. So the palette is the rose gold edition. Yeah, the palette is something like this. This is the palette. This is a pamphlet that came with the Beauty Glaze Beauty Glaze package. These are all products that Beauty Glaze have so far. Yes! And some are right here also. Yes, and this is the eyeshadow palette. I'm so excited to open it actually. I already noticed that it's a replica of the Huda Beauty Rose Gold edition. You see those eyes? Those are Huda's eyes. Okay, those might be Huda's eyes or replica of Huda's eyes. Yo, I am so taken with this packaging. Like, I'm so taken with this packaging, yo guys. And wow, these are the colors. I'm so in love with the colors, yo. I hope they're so texturized. I'm going to do a separate video on the same. So yes guys, keep it locked. Then we have the other small product that we got was, where is it? Okay. Yes. With this micellar water, I got the travel size micellar water. Yes. The one with the blue cup. I actually wanted to try it out and I wasn't sure about buying a whole full size. Yeah, I wanted to compare it with this other one, the one with the pink cap. Yes, I've had so many reviews about this one as well, so I wanted to try it out and find it's good, then I can buy something like this. Yeah, so this is also awesome. They say that this one is for it removes makeup, even the waterproof makeup. Yes, and this one is just for normal makeup, removing makeup for face, for eyes. I'm actually going to also try this out, guys. I'm so excited about this. Yeah, so this is the lapel that I got, you guys. I'm super excited. Let me just plug it in. It has a jack pin where I can plug it to my phone. Yes, then this is the lapel mark. I don't know if you guys can notice the difference. That is whatever I was looking for. Yes, I hope there's a difference in sound. Yes, I hope there's a difference in sound. Yes. Let me just plug it out. Maybe I don't have sound and I'm busy saying I hope it works. They normally say you should have an imagination of whatever you want to achieve before now implementing it. So got lights, 3 soft boxes that are supposed to look something like this. 1, 2, 3. These are the lights and they came in with bulbs, 3 different bulbs. Let me just show you the bulbs are here. I haven't removed them in the boxes because they're safer here. I know I normally drop things. Like I tend to drop things so much. That's why I left them there. So this is the bulb. They're quite big. They're actually so big. Those are the bulbs that came with the soft box package. Then the lights are here. I just want to show you quickly how they look. Let me just try fixing it up. It's a tripod. Then I just use this fix on the light. I'm just going to fix it here inside. Guys, I am not any tech, so I just do these things randomly until I get my way through. Apart from that, these things came with a guide on how I'm going to set up shit. I didn't put it off. Guys, I can nitatapisha bulb. No! That's how it's supposed to look like. Yeah. It's from a brand called Excelvan. It has a cord here which connects to your extension. Then it has an on and off cord. So let me just put it on. Yes! I'm so amazed about this. It also has a carini. Let me just switch it off. It has a thing that will, what is it called? I don't know. This thing that will cover the lights to make them softer, according to my understanding, to make the lights softer, and that's why the name softbox. So yeah, diffuses all over this sheet and becomes soft. Yeah. So basically, that's the lights. So there are 3 of these that I got, and I've already shown how they're supposed to look like once I set them up. Then they have also a backdrop. These are just machuma for backdrops. This thing brought so much weight into my goods, guys. This is actually how the backdrop is supposed to look like at the end. Like when I finish setting it up, this is what it's supposed to look like. So basically there are 2 stands and 3 rods. Yes, there are 3 different rods. So it depends on how long or how wide I want my background to look like. That's how I'm going to set it up to achieve this. Yeah, so no more putting sellotapes on the wall. Yo, at least now, that's an achievement, you guys. Our backdrop thingy also came with an insurance, just in case there was any malfunction when it came to shipping, I can return it. But thankfully, I didn't get any malfunctions when it came to my product, so I'm thankful for that. I'm also excited about the lights, yo guys. I'm still trying to find out the best lighting setup that I can get to achieve whatever I want, whatever level I want my videos to get to. So why not share with you guys, because I'm here for you guys. And yes, so when I get to that level, guys, be sure that I'm going to share that with you guys. And I'm also going to do a review of all the products I got from Amazon. Yes.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till next time, guys. Bye.